Hi there! Yes, it's the season for shopping, and Lowe's is the place to go to find great deals on quality tools for the do-it-yourselfers on your list. And you'll likely find a little something along the way that you absolutely gotta have too. Here's a few gift ideas that are sure to be a hit. Now you can't go wrong with this Cobalt 4-tool 24-volt power tool kit. Now for anyone doing home improvement or renovating, the tools in this kit are absolute essentials. You get this 2-speed drill driver with a variable speed brushless motor for control and power. The half-inch chuck securely holds large bits. And the reciprocating saw also has a variable speed brushless motor and easy tool-free blade changing. And the bright LED work light shines at 200 lumens and has a rotating head. A 4 amp hour 24-volt lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a contractor's bag are all included. And for a limited time, you get an additional tool that runs on the same battery. This is a great deal on a solid set of cordless tools. Now every toolbox starts with a good set of hand tools, and this 227-piece Cobalt Mechanics tool set has it all. The 3-drawer storage chest holds 117 standard and metric sockets. The 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drivers feature the 90-tooth Pro ratchet system, so they work great in tight spaces. 3 extensions, 30 wrenches, 73 drivers, and a hassle-free lifetime guarantee make this 227-piece Cobalt Mechanics tool set a super value and a smart gift idea. Next on our list is this 18-volt Bosch Freak. Now they call it the Freak because of its 1/4-inch hex chuck being combined with a 1/2-inch socket drive all into one powerful impact tool. This makes the Freak the mechanic's best friend. The Freak's design will save the handyman time assembling a swing set and the do-it-yourselfer time building a deck. It comes with a 2 amp hour, 18-volt lithium-ion battery, a charger, and this carry bag. Now check out this DeWalt drill driver. You know, DeWalt has always made professional-grade tools that DIYers love too, and this 20-volt drill driver is no exception. It's powered by a high-torque brushless motor. Its 1/2-inch chuck is ratcheting. It has 15 clutch settings for driving, a drill setting. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a bag. If you're looking for a great gift idea for the crafter, the builder, or the mechanic, you should definitely check out this Craftsman air compressor. Its 6-gallon tank and 10-amp motor have the capacity to run an airbrush, a framing nailer, or an air wrench. Its 2 couplers can support 2 tools at the same time, and its oil-free pump ensures a maintenance-free long life. And its lightweight, 30-pound design makes it portable. So, with a wide variety and low prices for high-quality products, Lowe's is where you go to find gifts for everyone on your list and stay on budget. You might save enough money to get a little something for yourself too. Just ask the Red Vests. They'll be glad to show you these tools and more. Or you can go online to our Lowes.com website. And for project ideas and advice, go to YouTube and check out Lowe's huge library of how-to videos, and you'll find the links to all of these tools just below.